Hello, my name is Dr. Maimoona and I'm a consultant obstetrician at Fernandez Hospital. I'm a part of the organizing committee of the Better Birthing Experience Conference, which will be held on the 4th and 5th November at Hotel Marigold in Hyderabad. The BBE conference is India's first conference to promote natural birth and reduce unnecessary medical interventions such as cesarean sections. The conference will host national and international speakers who not only talk the walk but also walk the talk. Have you been doing some cutting-edge research in normal birthing space? We would love to know what you're doing and showcase your work at our conference. We encourage you to send in your abstracts for paper and poster presentations based on your original research from India as well as abroad. I invite you to be a part of this enriching experience at the BBE conference. Register now. You can find the registration link in the bio. Looking forward to seeing you all at the conference. Thank you.